Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our Riverside project. We're starting at the bench today. I wanted to talk about a few materials and then we're going to go look at them. But today we're going to talk specifically about that accent siding. So I have a piece of it here. It's called Resysta and it is a rice hull product. So it's fabricated out of rice hulls. You can see it's as durable as it gets. It's air entrained so that it's nice and light, but you can see it has some basic lap joints there, and it has slotted screw holes that we'll talk about when we go over and see the actual installation. Now, our typical board siding, we were using the UV batten strip here from Benjamin Obdyke, and you can see it also has a slotted hole, which makes sense for anything that is going to move inside the wall to have that ability to allow it to move. This one here can be vertically oriented or horizontal oriented because it has all of those little micro grooves which do drain very, very well and allow the water to fall. So we use that on our boral siding. But Resysta actually has a proprietary rain screen system. So they have this aluminum hat channel that you can fasten to the wall and then basically fasten the Resysta to it so that you get that displacement. You can see it's an aluminum trussed profile on the side there so that when you put it on the wall, it has the drainage channel there. It has some lateral pressure relief there, so you're not building up any pressure in the wall to force a leak. Everything is somewhat pressure equalized, and then the siding system basically gets attached to the side of that. So let's take a walk around the corner here and we can see some phases of this stuff getting installed. Now, one of the things about the Resysta is it comes in a standard color. And then we sent it out to get finished and get this kind of wood grained look. And you can see here, I'll pull off the little pieces. We have a larger piece here. So we have those channels here firmly installed. You can see our boral system on the UV batten strips there. So we're getting that space in behind there, but also it's an open joint vertical rain screen there. So in between where the windows go, we have our boards that come down, and then the Resysta gets put and installed on top of their proprietary rain screen system. So it has a little J channel there, and you can see there's a little lap joint there. So that is made to literally go on there and sit, and you can see then it would just simply get screwed into the system there. And that's basically your starter piece. And you're not, once that's fastened, you're not pulling that off because that's a good 1/4 of an inch lip that Resysta is biting that on. If we go around up here where we have some pieces, we'll be able to actually see it installed. One of the cool things about this is, when we installed it, we have that 3/16 inch strong gap there and there. Well, we mirrored that on the other side of the trim board here so that the Resysta is basically floating in between our two borders here. And then because it's a lap joint, you can see here, we're able to pull that one board off, and you can see we have our furring channels. And then we have this. Now, the beauty of this just being these small systems is that the center channel, this one gets screwed tight, and then these are left to be a little bit more flexible. The idea there is, with this being held tight, the boards, these rice hull boards have a tendency to want to expand a little. So by fastening that there and then having the freedom to move left or right, as well as have that joint, it really works from a science perspective very well with this siding system. And the other beauty is with that last board being able to just pop it off, that means that it just taking out these screws, we have access to the back side of these panels here. So, but you can see there that once it's in, it has that nice deep channel. There's a little sloped face on there, so it is shedding water, but that runs back behind that lap channel. So anyways, that's our Resysta panel, and this is pre-finished. We sent it out. It got third-party pre-finished at a specific location, and then shipped here, basically ready to be installed. You can also see here, this is actually the finished color of the siding, so you'll get a good picture there of the complement of that siding with the Resysta. So anyways, that's Resysta Siding. This is our Riverside project. I'm Steve Bazek, architect. Until next time, long live our buildings.